Ancient civilization. Egypt is famous for its ancient civilization, with a history that dates back over 5,000 years. The ancient Egyptians are renowned for their contributions to mathematics, engineering, medicine, and culture. The pyramids. Egypt is home to the iconic pyramids, including the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. These pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs and are a testament to ancient Egyptian architecture and engineering skills. The Nile River. The Nile River is the longest river in the world and has been the lifeblood of Egypt for thousands of years. It has played a crucial role in the country's agriculture, transportation, and culture. Hieroglyphics. Ancient Egyptians developed a system of writing known as hieroglyphics. These intricate symbols were used for religious texts, monumental inscriptions, and administrative documents.